Hello everybody, today I'm going to tell you about nationalities. Nationality is a noun. That means being a legal citizen of a particular country. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. The first word is Cambodian. Cambodian. I am from Cambodia. I am Cambodian. American. American. You are from America. You are American. Mexican. Mexican. You are from Mexico. You are Mexican. European. European. They are from Europe. They are European. Chinese. Chinese. You are from China. You are Chinese. Malaysian. Malaysian. She is from Malaysia. She is Malaysian. Indian. Indian. You are from India. You are Indian. Thai. Thai. She is from Thailand. She is Thai. Vietnamese. Vietnamese. She is from Vietnam. She is Vietnamese. Singaporean. Singaporean. You are from Singapore. You are Singaporean. Okay, repeat after me. Cambodian. Cambodian. American. American. Mexican. Mexican. European. European. Chinese. Chinese. Malaysian. Malaysian. Indian. Indian. Thai. Thai. Vietnamese. Vietnamese. Singaporean. Singaporean. I hope this video can help you to clarify which are nationalities, which are countries. Some nationalities the same as their language, such as Thai, Japanese, Chinese, English, Vietnamese, German, and etc. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel's YouTube, Multimedia Rights. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.